Can you stop it?
Can you stop it? Okay, we're gonna make louder. Can you stop, please? Please.
Did you take him to the fence? No, I didn't sit down. So funny.
Okay.
I can't believe how funny this is. No, I'm not gonna let you go. You scared?
Okay, we're gonna...
Why you scared? It's the funniest movie.
Yes! Ты хочешь уроки делать по тебе? Homework? You wanna do homework?
Okay, guys, it's the end of the movie. It's the end of the movie.
We have a breaking news report. Please stand by. We have a breaking news report. Please stand by. We have a breaking news report.
Oh,
Please
guys,
stand
wait.
by.
It's a breaking news report. Shh. Come here. What's happened? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Guys, quiet. Shh. Something important. Shh. Shh.
Адам, shh.
Listen to the TV. Shh.
Потому что звук дошел, Коля.
Don't be scared. It'll be all right.
We have a breaking news report. Please stand by.
Oh my God.
Сейчас мы пойдем.
What's going on? It's not funny.
Oh
We can
no.
be destroyed.
What's going
Look
on?
over there, you see?
Shh. Shh. Maybe make some calls.
Shh. Look at Ari, look at Ari.
The phones are dead.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have some potentially disturbing information about a meteorite that may strike the Earth within a few hours. With us here today to provide us with some much needed information is Dr. Emma Ghalili, an expert from NASA. We will now turn to Dr. Ghalili to find out what we need to know to prepare ourselves for this imminent danger. Dr. Ghalili, what can you tell us?
Well, let me first tell the viewers the difference between an asteroid, a meteor, and a meteorite. They all have the same composition, usually, which is stone or iron. But it really depends on where in space they are and how big they are.
I see.
So, asteroids are located in the main asteroid belt between the two planets Jupiter and Mars.
Mm-hmm.
Once an asteroid gets knocked out of the belt into open space, it's called a meteor. Then the meteor enters Earth, usually caught on fire, and then once the meteor comes in contact with the Earth's surface, with the Earth's ground or surface, it's considered a meteorite. Asteroids are located in an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter.
Okay.
When an asteroid gets knocked out of the belt, it's considered a meteor. So right now it's the same size, but once it enters a planet's atmosphere, it catches on fire. For example, if it enters Earth. So then it might deteriorate and become smaller.
Oh, so we should not be so fearful.
But sometimes it doesn't deteriorate all the way. And when it hits Earth's surface and hits the ground, it's considered a meteorite.
So basically, Doctor, what you're telling us is that asteroids and meteors are the same until they leave that area and start coming towards the Earth.
Correct.
But what can happen, we hope, is that it becomes smaller in size?
Yes, once the fire, it could burn some off, but not potentially all of it, so it could still have a pretty big impact on the world.
That is scary. So you're saying that it could start out very large and really potentially not get much smaller.
Correct.
And leave us with what we are facing. Okay, well, given that information, we are now going to go to a clip of prior damage to the Earth from meteors that have hit us in past times. Doctor, let's take a look. Doctor, this footage just alarms me. How did these things start? Where did they come from? Can you explain this to me?
Well, it's a theory. We're not really sure. Because in a lot of things in space we're not really sure about because we're not able to see. But according to the Big Bang Theory, most viewers know that, well, let me explain it a little bit, that all of space was condensed into this really, really small, really, really dense ball. And then everything, it like exploded, and over time it started forming planets with gravity.
So in other words, you're saying, Doctor, at one time, everything was connected.
In one dense ball.
In
Very,
one
very, 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 very dense. I can't stress enough how dense this was.
Really? And do they know what caused it to separate?
No.
Okay, so this
This
is
is just a theory. This isn't a law. We're not sure.
Okay, I see. Continue.
So then, when the planets were forming,
Mm-hmm.
so materials got collected from space,
Mm-hmm.
forming planets. So we believe that these asteroids are pieces, and meteors are pieces of space that wasn't collected to create these planets. They were kind of left out.
So they're leftovers.
Yeah, basically, but they still have a certain gravitational pull, so they're able to stay in the belt form.
I see. So they're out there circling us, waiting to strike at any time.
Yes.
Dr. Ghalili, please, can you tell us what you feel has been the worst meteor impact in the history of the Earth?
Well, I believe that it was the dinosaurs. Most people think that a meteor caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. So, when the meteor entered the Earth and hit the Earth, it created mass destruction. So basically, this didn't happen in 2 seconds. This happened over time. So first, the climate was really, really cold. It went low. The weather was so cold that it caused animals and plants to die a very slow death.
Was this a result of the meteor?
Yes. Then, the next day, it caused climate to skyrocket high, causing more death of animals. Then, a gas was released from the meteor that was toxic, which caused even more animals to die. And also, when the meteor created impact with the Earth, most people think it created tsunamis and gas rain, and this is all theories. We're not 100% sure. And the ways that we know about this is about the impacts that the crater had on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The crater, there's a crater there that we think that's where the asteroid hit. Also, near the Yucatan Peninsula, we could find rare metals that you could only find in meteors.
So it does make sense, Doctor. Your theory does seem to make a lot of sense.
It does. And then also fossils of how the animals died.
So you actually have some scientific evidence that this theory of yours is solid.
Well, it's not my theory. It's like
Oh,
everyone's
right.
theory.
This theory that you feel is
Yes.
legitimate.
So this is how we believe the dinosaurs were extinct. So let's look at some footage, animated footage, that people think what happened.
Oh, let's check this out. So this is actual footage, an animation of what people believe happened when the dinosaurs were
Yes.
made extinct by the meteor.
Correct.
Fascinating. We would like to thank Dr. Emma Ghalili, our expert from NASA, for this very informative interview. Right now, we're going to turn back to reporters worldwide that are going to show us what the world is facing and how the people around the world are reacting to this imminent danger.
کمکمون کنید. America help us. Please. بفرستید بچه‌مون کجاست؟ America send help. بچه‌ها کجان؟
Ой, что случилось? Ой, помогите, что такое? Руки, ай, что случилось? Ой, страшно, как страшно, ужасно, дети мои.
Oh my God, what happened? Nance, you won't believe what happened. I think a meteor hit the earth. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? It's the end of everything.